Hey guys, it's Cody with Homestead, and today I'm bringing you a really quick video on how to change the inserts to a Echo weed whacker. So we got our weed whacker right here, and it uses the little pre-cut plugs that go in. I was looking on YouTube, couldn't really find a video about it, and decided, you know what? I know a YouTuber, this guy. So I'm making one. But anyways, let's get after it. Okie dokie. So we've got our weed eater here, and as you can see, our string is really short, right? And we want to change it. So I've already taken one out, just kind of messing with it, but I'll show you what to do. So here's how easy it is. All right, so we're looking at the little spinning assembly of the weed whacker, and this string right here is actually how we're going to remove the pre-cut string, and so we can replace it. So you can do it with your fingers. It's not super easy. What I do is I just grab a pair of pliers, come in here, and pull this bad boy out. Boom. Cool. Next, we're just going to get two of our pre-cut plugs right here. And there are some directions on the front, so it kind of shows, you know, pulling out through the little hole. But if you didn't have really good attention to detail, I could see how this could get missed. You know, I know that I oftentimes read over things or just don't pay attention because, you know, I may not be the smartest person in the world, but, you know, I do my best. So now we got our little pre-cut string here. Here's how easy it is. There's a little arrow right here. So remember, we took the string out through the little exit hole here. This little arrow right here shows where we put it in it. So we're just going to take our string and we're going to feed it to this hole. And you'll feel it kind of hit the track that it's supposed to be on. And you'll notice that it's on the track when you can start kind of feeding through. And you can see here, it's coming out. So what I like to do is kind of just feed it so it touches the side here, right? I'll bring you guys in so you can see. See how it's touching the side here? That makes our strings nice and long, but at the same time, doesn't have a lot of flop and bend because we don't want them so long that we can't control them. But yeah, that's all you got to do. But anyways, guys, super quick video today. That's all there is to it. Really fast and easy. I'm not going to drag it out. But anyways, if this video has helped you out, please drop that like and subscribe. It would really help the channel out, and it helps to get this video out in front of people so we can keep helping people. But anyways, this has been Cody with Homestead. Out here.